Hello everyone, today I acquired a still boxed Power Macintosh 7200/90 and I figured we'd just open it up on camera. The box has like a lot of writing on it on all the sides. I'll put some like close-up shots. Actually, I'll just turn the box around. On this side of the box we don't have a lot of writing. I'll zoom in on the spec sticker. So we got Power Macintosh 7290 features. We got 90 megahertz PowerPC 601 RISC processor, 3 individual standard PCI expansion slots, RAM expandable up to 256 megabytes, built-in quad-speed CD-ROM drive, 16-bit audio playback and recording, accelerated VRAM graphics, built-in 10BASE-T Ethernet networking, Lotus Notes Express included, and macOS installed. Copyright 1995 Apple Computer Inc. So that's that. Spin the box around again and show you the spec sticker. Here we have the serial number and stuff. You got their Power Mac 7290 CD. So let's just get right into this. Opening up the box. There. On top we have, we'll start with the Macintosh accessories kit. Oh, shit. On top we got a Apple design keyboard. Another one of these. This one's a bit yellowed and a bit dirty, but that's alright, I'll clean it up. Now we'll start with the Macintosh accessories kit. Welcome, look inside to get started with your computer. Looks like we got, what the hell happened here? We got the CD drive in pieces. That's a good start. We got the caddy for the CD drive. We got the floppy drive. The Apple Desktop Bus Mouse 2. I really don't, unpopular opinion, but I really hate this type of mouse. We got the modem cord. Apple serial to phone line. The bezel for the CD and the little thing that pops in the middle. A baggie full of screws. And a phone cable to phone cable thing. So that's a promising start to this. These pieces of styrofoam. I hope those are just like spare parts. They got them replaced at one point. So now we have the, oh, looks like there's more stuff down here. It's like a Apple serial cable. Another Apple serial cable right here. Yeah. Look, a official, I'm assuming official Apple plug cord thing. Anything else? Yeah, there's more stuff down here. Looks like we got a Global Village Teleport Platinum modem. And we got the plug for the Global Village too. Now we have the 7200 itself in its original plastic, which I'll take off. This thing has been beat up, it seems. It's got the floppy and such removed. So let's just see if it works first of all. Before we turn it on, I just opened it up and it's got no hard drive. I didn't expect it to. Got more of the CD drive. So let's just turn it on, I guess. Okay, so I have the keyboard plugged in, so if it does work, we'll might get a signal. No chime, probably because there's no floppy drive. But we do have a signal on the monitor. And yeah, no getting a flashing floppy disk.